Hello everyone, winter is coming, so it's time to make some recipe which can keep you warm. So today I'm gonna teach you delicious roasted carrot soup with coconut, goat cheese and lime. So let's do it. For the soup, you will need carrots, onions, garlic, lime, coconut cream, chicken stock, tomato paste, salt, pepper and a little bit of oil. I'm not giving you the exact recipe because I don't want you to just copy my soup, but to create your own one. Use taste and common sense. You don't need to know how much lime or cream to put. If you put more lime, the soup will be sour. If you put less lime, the soup will be sweeter. There is not only one best option, so adjust it to you. At the end of the day, I have nothing to give you anyway, because I rarely use recipes when I cook, and I would recommend you to do the same. So I chopped carrots and onions roughly, mixed them with oil, salt, pepper and few cloves of garlic, and I baked it on the tray for around 180 degrees Celsius until I got some color. So the vegetable is inside the oven, and now it's time to start with my goat cheese cream, which I'm gonna use later on as my garnish. I mix goat cheese, coconut cream, honey, chili sauce and salt, and again the same philosophy. You can skip, for example, the chili if you want to, or put more honey if you like. Your goal is to create the taste you like, not to copy the taste of others. When you change this mindset, your cooking will start improving much faster. And I keep it in the bottle for later. And let's give a small shot to my food inspector and let's see what he says. By the way, if you don't like dog in the kitchen and you feel like writing some comments about that, I recommend you change the channel because he's not going away anytime soon. And for my vegetable garnish, I want to make easy caramelized carrots with lemon. So let's do them. I have here few small baby carrots, so I peel them nicely, and before cooking them, I saw that my vegetable is in the oven getting some color, so I add my tomato paste and I will bake it for another 10 minutes. And now I can cook my carrots in the boiling salted water until tender. And in the meantime, I will make caramel on the pan, then deglaze it with lemon juice, and at the end, caramelize the carrots. And now, let's finish the soup. I transfer my roasted vegetables to the pot and add coconut cream, chicken stock and lime. I want to cook it for at least few minutes, so I make sure my soup ends up smooth, and at the end you just blend everything. I recommend you also strain it, and then you can check your final seasoning and finish your final taste and consistency. I will do a bit more water and salt. For the bonus garnish, I will use these cool-looking carrot chips. If you would like to learn how to make them, check out the link in the description below and join my community on Patreon, and you can see all my bonus content or message me personally. I see you there. And the last thing I have to do is to portion my carrots, and let's do the plating. I start with few nice pieces of caramelized shallots. Then a few dots of my coconut cream with chili. Carrot chips. Carrot tops. And let's finish it with my beautiful roasted carrot soup. And that's it, guys. If you would like to learn fine dining cooking from me personally, learn how to be more creative, improve plating, basically everything you will need to impress your friends and family at home with amazing dishes, apply for my one-on-one coaching on my website. And if you want to get inspiration for another cool soup, check out this video and learn how you can make my mushroom soup with lentils at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.